Transferring your Amazon gift card balance.
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to talk about how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another Amazon account. It's a question many have, and today, I'll walk you through the process step by step.
Can you directly transfer the balance?
The first thing to understand is that Amazon does not allow a direct transfer of gift card balances between accounts. This is important to remember, as it forms the basis for our workaround.
How can I use my gift card balance for someone else?
Since a direct transfer isn't possible, you'll need to be creative. 1. Purchase a gift. The simplest way to transfer your balance is to purchase an item as a gift and send it directly to the other person's address. 2. Buy a digital gift card. Another method is to buy an Amazon e-gift card using your balance. Once purchased, you can email the gift card code to the desired recipient or even to yourself, and then share the code with another person.
Are there any restrictions?
Always be aware of 1. Expiration dates. Some gift cards have them. Make sure you use the balance before it expires. 2. Regional restrictions. If you're trying to transfer balance between accounts in different countries or regions, there may be complications. Amazon gift cards for the US, for example, cannot be used on Amazon's UK site.
What are the risks?
While the workaround is pretty straightforward, always be cautious. 1. Avoid sharing with strangers. Only share gift card details with people you trust. 2. Double-check email addresses. If you're sending a digital gift card, ensure you've got the correct email address to avoid sending your balance to a stranger. And there you have it. While Amazon doesn't permit direct balance transfers, these workarounds can help you use or share your gift card balance with others. Always be cautious and ensure you're sharing details with trusted individuals. I hope this video was helpful, and happy shopping!